Okay, for humanities and social science, um, okay, on 0 to 2 years, we'll enact the multicultural music and movement. For instance, we'll start with maybe I'll select a music and like just a short music from either maybe either society, maybe Africa, India, Latin, and I will provide children with a scarf and try showing them how we do it, and they'll try and copy. Okay, start. Hello, children. Hello, hello. Today we're going to listen to a music from around the world, and we're going to start from Africa. Have you ever heard of Africa? Yes? No, that's okay. Today we're learning a music from Africa, and we'll play a song. First, everyone will have a scarf, and we can all get a scarf, and we can always swing around and play with it. Okay. So with this, we'll play a music, and I'll provide with children with either the scarf to try and do whatever I'm doing. So we'll play like this. When they see I'm swaying and they try swaying, could you all sway like this? And this side too. This side to the left and to the right. To the left, like, and that's it. And for 2 to 3 years old, we'll enact a community help address play. We'll set up costumes and probes. Then we'll like talk about some of what the community members do and how they dress up. That's it. So today we're going to learn about our community members and what they do. Do you all know do you know a firefighter and how they dress? Yes, like that. They dress, that's a firefighter's cloth. And how does a doctor dress? With that thing on the neck, yes, stethoscope. And how does a nurse dress? With that, we try and engage children with some of the careers and how they are. And for 6 to 8 years old, we'll enact the virtual excursion and story journals. For instance, instead of going to a museum, or we bring the museum in class and try to mimic and like how a museum is. First, we can encourage children to maybe watch a video of how a museum, so that it gives them a clear picture of the museum itself. Then try and create it in class. So today we are going to visit a museum without leaving our classroom. We'll all be here. And we'll start by first imagine of an animal, or what animal have you seen on the video? A kangaroo. Yes, and another animal. Like with that, to encourage children to like try and expand their imagination of what they'd watch and like try creating it in class. So how does a kangaroo look like or walk? Okay, and have you seen our kangaroo in our class? Right there, like they'll try and pointing out what like creating it out of their imagination. That's it.